Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video today I'm gonna teach you some important adverbs or frequencies with their uses. Dear friends, how often the action occurs are suggested by some particular adverbs or frequencies, and they are always, usually, frequently, quite often, sometimes, occasionally, rarely, seldom, hardly, or ever, and the last one is never. Now dear friends, we are moving on their uses. Always you can use when the action occurs 100%, for that you can use always. Likewise, when the action occurs 90%, for that you can use usually. Similarly, when the action occurs 80%, for that you can use frequently. When the action occurs 70%, for that you can use quite often. And when the action occurs 60%, for that you can use often. Likewise, when the action occurs 50%, for that you can use sometime. Similarly, when the action occurs 40%, for that you can use occasionally. Dear friends, when the action occurs 30%, for that you can use rarely, and when the action occurs 20%, for that you can use seldom, and when the action occurs 10%, for that you can use hardly, and when the action does not occur, for that you can use never. Dear friends, I hope you really like this video, and I hope you will subscribe this channel, and do not forget to share this video to the needy people. Thank you. Have a good day and keep speaking English. Thank you.